So, you don't own a band knife splitter, you don't have a skiving machine to split small pieces down, and you don't have a manual pull-through splitter. How do you thin down leather? Well, say for instance you want to take a piece of leather, a thin strip of leather, and you want to use it as the lining on the watch strap, or you want to wrap the top of your watch strap in it. Whatever the reason, you want a thin strip of leather, and whatever this is, it's too thick. You want to thin it down consistently. How do you do that with nothing more than a skiving knife? So, skiving knife, sharp, your leather, paring stone, edge of the paring stone. We're going to take our knife in one hand, we're going to take the leather in the other, thumb, forefinger, pinching together over the edge of your paring stone. Take your knife, and we're starting at the tip and working towards the heel as we push forwards. Always important, the knife needs to be in motion, you can't just push straight into it. Starting at one end with the tip, I'm going to push in and forwards at the same time until I get the desired depth that I'm looking for. Once I've gone forward far enough, I can let go and I can press the blade down, and the blade is indexing on the leather underneath, so it is flat. I'm going to maintain that angle with my hand, keeping my index finger down, and I'm pushing with force, so I'm compressing the flesh side of the leather underneath. Again, starting from the tip, pushing forwards, forwards as you go forwards, forwards, slicing through that leather, keeping going until you've got enough leather or you've reached the end like we have here. Take your piece, turn it over, double check it, make sure there's no gouges, test the thickness, 0.7, 0.65, 0.7, 0.75, 0.65. So 0.1 millimeter variation in that, and now you have a thinner piece of leather. If you wanted to go even thinner, you can slowly scrape small amounts off if you needed to and just work back. So I'm not digging into the leather, it's not cutting, it's just shaving the fibers. And you can get very small incremental changes by doing that. So if you have an area that's a little bit too thick, you can just keep going and work it, and then just taking that fluff off, and you can make small variations. So yes, it is possible to use a skiving knife to split small pieces of leather, but just remember, although it's a lot cheaper to do it this way, what it lacks in price, it makes up for in skill. But it's a good idea to have the hand skills to be able to do this in a pinch if something happens to your machinery. But also it's important to have the hand skills and the knife skills in leathercraft to be able to perform these kind of actions. If you are interested in learning how to get a sharp blade on your skiving knife, check out the video course, Techniques of the Blade. Very important to have those skills. Thank you for watching, and as always, skive away from you.